Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Derek, and today I want to do a quick review of the Epson RapidReceipt RR-60W. I'm pretty much going to go over how this thing works, why you might need it, and why I love it so much. So the first thing I want to mention here is the sheer size of this. So you can see it's barely bigger than my hand. This thing is really tiny. It's super light as well, so it's pretty portable if you take it to a business trip, to a hotel or anything like that. This is great to take with you. And overall, if you're someone that buys stuff all the time, maybe for your personal business like I do, this is super handy to use because it comes with its own receipt management software, which is great. It lets you, search, edit, and do whatever you want with the PDFs that are created from your receipts. And this thing is wireless, so it sends stuff directly to your phone, to your computer, to your tablet, whatever you want to put it on. And it's also integrated with different tax softwares such as QuickBooks and some other things. So overall, this thing is pretty useful if you're someone that buys a whole bunch of stuff like me. As you can see, I have a whole garbage bag here full of receipts that I need to get through today. But overall, it can go through each receipt, takes about 3 seconds, and it has a pretty rapid input, so you can literally just put it in the back and it spits it right out the front, scanned and ready to go. So this thing goes through receipts super fast, and it's great if you have a whole bunch of receipts and you need to put them on your computer for easy management.